It's time to relive my childhood. Welcome to the bright side. This is the LEGO Creator Series 3-in-1 camera, video recorder, and television set. One of my friends gifted this to me for Christmas, and I haven't built Legos since middle school, so it should make for a pretty interesting video. Inside the box, we have 4 different bags of Lego blocks, each of different sizes. We have a wheel of some sort that looks like it would be part of a lens. A box, cardboard box with 4 different holes in it for some odd reason, I'm not sure. And then we have 3 different instruction manuals, one for the camera, one for the television set, and one for the video recorder. But of course, for today, we'll be building the camera. The bags aren't numbered or anything, and the instructions don't specify to start with a certain bag, so I guess we'll just dump them all out and start there. Luckily, the instructions seem pretty straightforward and very easy to follow, with no words or anything, just diagrams and pictures of what blocks to use and where to put them. Alright, time-lapse time. I remember one of my friends back in probably elementary school, we used to play Legos all the time together. And one time we were playing with the Star Wars set, one of the Star Wars Episode 3. And we were having a dogfight with the TIE fighters and the different ships. And he was getting so mad that I was beating him, I guess, in imaginary dogfighting, that he just said, well, that doesn't work, whatever I was doing, because we're on Earth, so gravity's different here. And I was like, we're playing Legos, imaginary. What's the deal, dude? We lost touch after that point. I have no idea what the dude's up to now. Hell, probably works for NASA or something. The guy was really into planetary gravity. Did Legos get smaller, or did I just get bigger? These are like building blocks for ants.
What is this? A center for ants?
That moment when you're looking for a certain piece that you know you've seen, but now you can't find it. Ha! Found the little guy. happening again. Where's this little piece? Nah, it's gotta be here somewhere. Oh my god, I just found it. It was wrapped around a clear piece. Oh, it's so frustrating. Ha! We made a little door. Look at that. Oh, in the tiny random box with holes in it is a little camera strap. So the camera's done, but now we gotta make the film. And there we go, our very own film camera, but in Lego. It's pretty neat how this thing came together, because the lens turns just like a normal lens. The film winder on top of the camera actually spins, but it doesn't do anything inside the camera. The film rack on top of the camera you can actually move around, but again, it doesn't do anything internally. And same thing with the mode selector, or maybe it's the shutter button, not sure which one they're trying to do here. And with the film door on back, you open that up, and there's your film right there. They give you 2 different sets, so you can choose between which ones you want in camera and which ones you want displayed next to it. There are some extra pieces here, which I'm assuming goes for either the video recorder or the TV set. So really, I'll just put them back in the box. But overall, this is a really cool conversation piece and a little novelty item that you can add onto your shelf next to all your other cameras. That's probably what I'll be doing with it anyway. And it didn't really take very long to build, probably only an hour. And that also accounts for a couple of times that I messed up and had to backpedal and take a couple of pieces apart and then go back forward again. But overall, a very fun little build, and the end product is really cool also. But that's going to be it for me today. Thank you all very much for hanging out and joining me in this video. If you haven't already and you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and comment what you want to see next on the channel, and subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, until next time, deuces everybody.